Okay, so you should have 3 snowflakes, hopefully. If not, go ahead and make those. But I left you written instructions on how to do a snowflake. And I told you to make 2 about 3 inches on the paper. So what I mean by that is when it's all folded up still. See if I can get it folded up. It's hard to refold these after you've unfolded them. See if I can get this figured out. So yeah, kind of like this. I didn't really do that very well, but right here, this is the smaller one. This will be the snowman's head. Or is this one? Yeah. No, this is one of the regular ones. This is 3 inches from here to here. Okay. 3 inches. So that's what I mean by 3 inches when you're on your paper. Okay. And you'll notice I didn't leave a lot of paper. When I cut this out, I have it, so there isn't much paper left. It's really hard to show because I can't get it folded back. Maybe this one. See, there is not much paper left. This was one of mine. So this is the one that's between 2 and 2.5 inches for his head. Okay, so notice there isn't a lot of paper there left. You cut a lot away, but you have to leave it attached. So if you cut a lot away, you end up with a snowflake that's really pretty and lacy looking. And that's what we are looking for, guys. If yours does not have a lot of different holes and shapes in it, redo it and make it so it looks lacy and cool. So this is about the size. This is a 3-inch snowflake. You need 2 of those, and you need one that's between 2 and 2.5 for the head. Okay, and then we're going to glue these onto a piece of blue paper. So don't do that yet. I'm going to do it and show you how it should look. Okay, a little lesson in gluing before I show you how this looks, because I'm noticing this is a little tricky. Lay it on a piece of scratch paper. Push it down as flat as you can. Okay, then come in with your glue stick, and you want to put some on every little bit of it. So don't pull really hard because you'll end up tearing, but make sure you're kind of holding where you want the glue to go so your paper doesn't move. So see how I move my left hand to hold down the paper where I want the glue. So I've done all the middle sections now. Now I'm going to do all these. And sometimes you kind of just have to dab because you do not want to pull and actually tear this. It would be very easy to do. Okay, so I made it all around there. Now I'm going to do this outside edge, which I really just kind of want to dab those because I don't want to tear those little, see, like right here, I've got a really, really tricky, I don't know if you guys can see that, really skinny part there. I'm just dabbing on top of that. To get every bit of it. And see, I just tore a little piece there. So I'm not going to redo it, obviously, but I am going to be very careful when I glue that down. Okay, then when you glue it on the paper, lay it carefully down first. Get it set up the way you want it. Okay, then push down the middle so that gets flat, and then work your way out and push out all the way around because you want this to be perfectly flat on your paper, not bubbled up. Okay, so start in the middle, work your way out, and push all the little pieces down. If you see a place you missed some glue, go back and fix it. Okay, I'll be back in a second to show you what this looks like. Okay, so this is what this looks like right now. So this is my snowman. Notice he's running off on the bottom because we want him to look like he's sitting on the ground. So I'm going to come on here, hold it backwards so I can see how I can see where the edge is right here. Hold it like this, take my scissors and trim off the extra of that snowflake right there. Okay, so then my snowman looks like he's sitting on the ground. He's going to have other pieces yet. Notice I overlapped. So when I laid this snowflake on, I put it over the top of this one, and the same way here. I put this one over the top. Notice you don't see a lot of bubbles. It's pretty flat. There's a little bit of bubble right here. I'm going to put a book on that and see if I can flatten that out. But it's glued really well. The edges are not flipping up. Okay, they're overlapped a little bit, and you should get the general idea of a snowman. We have a lot more work to do, but this is where you should get to for this first part. Okay, and then once you finish this, go on to the next video.